linear equations in one variable. In the equations, how to write an equation and how to solve the equations. Okay, so what does mean by equation first? So what is mean by equation? An equation is an equality of both the sides. Okay, so that is from LHS of the equality sign and RHS of the equality sign. So both the sides are equal. That we can say it as an equation. In an equation we have two expressions. Minimum we have two expressions. That expressions including variables. Okay, so I'll give one example for you children, that is 2x plus 3 equals to 7. 2x plus 3 equals to 7. So this is an equation. Why? Because it has an equality sign. Okay, if we have this, okay, 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. Is it an equation? No. Is it not an equation? Because in this there is no equality sign. Okay, that is equal sign. So we can't say this is an equation. This is not an equation. So here now we have 2x plus 3 equals to 7. So this expression, this having an equality sign, so we have to say this is an equation. Is it right, children? Okay. Now we have in this two expressions. Okay. So this is one expression and this is one expression. So now we have two expressions. Two expressions. Okay. See, till now we saw, that is from till our last class we saw solving of an equation. That equation is like this. Okay. That equation is having two expressions. So that is 2x plus 3 equals to 7. So in this equation, 2x plus 3 stands for LHS of the equation and 7. This is also an expression. This expression stands for the RHS of the equation. Is it right? Now, this is an equation. How to solve this? Okay. So we have a variable x. We want to find out the value of this variable means we solve this equation. Is it right? So we want to put the value of this equation. Okay. So this variable. So for that we want to find out the value of the variable. Okay. So that is an equation is the equality sign. Okay. So here there is no necessary for only the variable present in LHS only. Is it right? So if the variable is in RHS also, that is also an equation. That is also an equation. There is no need, okay, not necessary, only expression. There is a variable only present on the LHS only, okay, not necessary. The variable should be present in RHS also. Understood? So both the sides we have the variables means that is now in this class let us see that is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Variable on both sides. So that is for example, so 2x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 3 equals to x plus 2. Okay, let us take an example like this. Okay, so 2x minus 3. Sorry, we should take 2x minus 3 here. 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Okay, in your textbooks you are like this. Okay, 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. So this is example 12 in your textbook. Example 12 in your textbook. Okay, see 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Okay, now we should take, you know how to solve an equation by subtracting this given number. Here we have a subtraction sign. Okay, so we should add the same number here. So minus 3 we have, so we are adding plus 3. Okay, we can transpose the number from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So now we are grouping the terms here. Okay, so you have a variable terms in both the sides. Okay, here x is a variable. X is a variable. Okay, so while x is a variable means one side, okay, of the equation. So we are taking variable terms in LHS side also, or we are taking RHS side also. So LHS side means we are able to find, that is very easy. Okay, see here 2x is in positive side, plus sign, addition side. See here x is also positive side, which is less. 2x is more, x is less. Now the lesser one comes to LHS means it comes, that is while transposing you should keep it in your mind. Which part? So sign changes. Okay, sign should be changes while transposing the term. Okay, while transposing the term from one side to another side of the equation. If LHS to RHS also, or RHS to LHS also. While transposing the term from one side of the equation to another side of the equation, the sign of the term is change. Sign of the equation is, sign of the term is change. Okay, understand children? Okay. See, while changing this plus x comes to LHS, it is minus x. Okay. So while 2x minus x, we can get a plus. Okay, that is addition. Okay. So here we can transposing. Okay, transposing yes from RHS to LHS, RHS to LHS, and we have a term plus minus 3 in LHS. This also we should group it to plus 2. Okay, so here minus 3 it transposing to RHS, it transposing to RHS as plus 3. Okay, and minus 3 and transposing minus 3 from LHS to RHS. Is it right? It is very easy example for you. Okay. See, minus 3 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Understood? So here we have a single line answer. See, we are grouping 2x and this x comes to LHS. Okay. 2x minus x, that is equals to this minus 3 comes this side as plus 3. So as it is in RHS we have plus 2. So 2. Okay. So this minus 3 comes this side as plus 3. So now we have 2x minus x. 2x minus x. That is equals to 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Now this is the value of the equation. This is the solution of the equation. Okay. So here for this method also we can do, or otherwise we are adding 3 on both sides and we can get this one cancelled and adding, so subtracting minus 2, dividing minus 2 on both sides, then we can cancel this, and for that method also we can do here. Okay. So as the same, which method we are applying also, we can get the answer x equals to 5. Okay children. So the solution of this given equation, that is both sides, variable on both sides. Okay. So this equation, the solution of this equation is x equals to 5. Okay. Let us see one more example. Example 13 here. Okay. It is given for you. Solve example 13. Solve. Okay. We want to find out the solution of the given equation. So that is 5x plus 7 by 2, that is equals to 3 by 2x minus 14. 3 by 2x minus 14. See this equation, that is here also we have a variable on both sides. See, x is 5x. Okay. Here also x is a variable, and in RHS also we have a variable 3 by 2 into x. Okay. So we have variable on both sides of the given equation. So first both sides. Multiplying 2 on both sides. Okay. So here we are multiplying 2 on both sides means each and every term. Okay. Each and every term we should multiply it by 2. Okay. See here, that is 2 into 5x plus, keep in your mind, each and every term should be multiplied by 2. Okay. Plus 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Equals to 2 into 3 by 2 into x minus 2 into 14. Okay. See, now we have like this. Now 2 into 5x, 10x, and this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then plus 7. That's equals to 2 gets cancelled. We have 3x minus 2 into 14. 2 into 14, 28. 14s are 28. Okay. Now we want to do the another reactions. Now see, we should remove the 7 from LHS. Okay, what we want to do? This 7 is in addition form, plus 7. So we should minus this. Subtract 7 on both sides. Subtract 7 on both sides. Subtract 7 on both sides. So we get 10x plus 7 minus 7, that is equals to 3x minus 28, and then minus 7. Okay. So we have 10 minus 7 gets cancelled. So 10x equals to 3x minus, see both the sides are minus. Both the sides are minus. So minus into minus plus, we want to add these two numbers and we are putting the same sign. Okay. So minus 28 plus 7, 28 plus 7, 35. Yes, 35. Okay. Now we are transposing this 3x to LHS. 3x to LHS. Okay. We are transposing means 10x minus this plus 3x comes this side as minus 3x. That is equals to minus 35. Okay. Here we are transpose. We use the method transposing method. Okay. Then transposing method. Then we should use 10x minus 3x. What is 10x minus 3x? 10x minus 3x? 7x. 10 minus 3, 7, and plus, which is the sign of bigger number? Plus. So what is the sign of bigger number? Plus. So we are writing plus 7x. That is equals to minus 35. Okay. So then we want to do, okay, which method we are using? Both are correct. Okay. See, that is dividing 7 on both sides also correct, or 7 is transposing to RHS is also correct. Okay. So what you use also correct. Okay. So x, here I transpose. X equals to minus 35 by 7. Here I use transpose method. Okay. Transposing 7 from LHS to RHS. Okay. So we have 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So x equals to minus 5. Don't forget to use minus sign. So we have minus here. Okay. So we have the solution of the given equation is x equals to minus 5. Okay. So all you understand, children? You have till our last class you saw only the variable on one side of the equation. We solved it easily. But in this class we saw both the sides of the equation having a variable. Excuse me. So both the sides of the equation is having variable means we should take the variable to LHS. Understood, children? We should take the variable to LHS. Okay. So from that we should solve the equation. Okay. So we want to find the value of x here. That is the solution of the given equation. Okay. Thank you.